In this video, we will talk about what is open location. The single ruler table opening is the distance from the double ruler to the knife top. How to check the location? Put the ruler on the inside of the double ruler. You have to rely on it both up and down. Then put the ruler on the top of the knife. Read the number. The unit is accurate to 0.1 mm. Look at the left is 135 mm. The right is 132 mm. And this time we have to make adjustments. The side small opening, the waist core small. The veneer is thick and short. The side big opening, the waist core big. The veneer is thin and long. Remember, before this step, must finish before 4 steps, then check the open location. Okay, that's all for how to use the veneer pallet machine. If you like my video, please like and follow my channel. Thank you.